Okay guys, so the top 5 things that happen after 30 days on keto. If that's why you've tuned in, don't go away. Okay guys, so you are here today to understand what happens after I'm 30 days on a ketogenic diet. Now, this is a fantastic thing to have on your mind, because nobody embarks on a diet, and usually you have to contact your general practitioner or your family doctor to help you understand this. So that's what you should be doing when you make any dietary changes, especially if you have a condition. But this is going to tell you what should happen in the predominant of cases. Now, so the big idea is you can prepare for it, you can understand it, and you will know if these are happening, you have done the diet correctly. Because if they're not, most likely you're not doing the diet correctly. And yes, a ketogenic diet, it may not be like a calorie restrictive diet where you have to go through a lot of problems and muscle loss even, and restricting your calories and starving yourself. But yes, you do have to make sure you don't eat carbohydrates. And a very small amount, 0 to 20 grams. So let's have a look if you stick to that and what happens in those 30 days. Here we go. So number 1, 30 days of keto. Number 1, fat burning mode. So this happens now. What happens is that you're more fat adapted. You're better ketone use, more stable energy. So you can see here, you have nearly an empty glycogen tank. Now, glycogen is your quick energy reserves. So you use glucose, which goes in your blood and you burn it. But then when you don't have food coming in with glucose, you break down glycogen, which is your instant glucose storage system. So you break that down. And once glycogen is broken down, it then gives you your quick fix with glucose. Now, you have so little glycogen left, your body has to go after fat constantly. So you're massively burning fat day in, day out. Now, you're fat adapted as well, pretty much. It can be longer for some people, but what does that mean? So on week 1, you'll burn some fat and a lot of water drop, so you look like you drop a ton of weight. Week 2, you drop a massive amount of weight, and that's mostly fat. Week 3, again, you drop a massive amount of weight. Then in week 4, you drop a lot of weight, but just under those previous weeks. Now, why is that? Because you become fat adapted. So what happens is you become really efficient at mastering burning your fat efficiently and making ketones efficiently and using them throughout the body effectively. So you've become fat adapted, so you don't have to waste so much energy. Now here we go. So you're using ketones effectively for your brain, for your muscles, for your heart, and you can see here burn fat for fuel. So your fatty acids are being used for fuel. Mostly in your body. Better mental clarity, and that comes from the ketones that you produce from fatty acids to your liver, turn them into ketones, and then they can go through the blood-brain barrier, so you can use ketones. And then more stable energy and supports fat loss goals. So in that sense, you've become a fat burning machine and streamlined, adapted within those 30 days. So usually it's 4 weeks, but it can take up to 6 weeks normally, and even longer depending on your physiology. Okay guys, number 2. So number 2, you can see here, you've got appetite often drops. So before keto, always hungry, cravings coming in. So you're fully got a massive appetite. Then after 30 days, you feel full and satisfied. What's going on? Less hunger throughout the day, fewer cravings and less snacking, easy to stay in a calorie deficit, and more control around food. So what's the key takeaway here, guys? Eat less, feel better, live better. So what's happened is you've basically become so efficient, you're fat adapted, your body is actually really happy because you're getting fantastic ketones for your brain, heart and your muscles, especially for your brain, for clarity thought. You are getting tons of fatty acids all efficiently around your body, and your body's happy. You've got tons of protein and fat in a ketogenic diet, so you feel satiated, so your body isn't scared. Now, in a calorie restricted diet, you get that a lot. Fasting, you get it phenomenally. So again, you understand that you are now massively thinking, hey, how can I eat breakfast, lunch and dinner and I hardly ever snack? Because you're lots of protein and fat, and your body has weaned off of the sugar and the quick fix, and now you've got to eat something even better. Number 3, guys. So number 3, belly fat may start shrinking. So lower insulin levels, easier access to stored fat, waist may begin to decrease. So insulin levels, high insulin, lower insulin. Now that means the green one there is 30 days on keto. Stored fat becomes easier to access before keto after 30 days. So your fat has started to seem as if it's being eaten away. Now, you can see here, this is a realistic progress. It's not magic. You can see you have put all the effort in. You've transformed the metabolic path of your body to burning fat day in and day out and making ketones. You see your little belly fat there, and now it's quite slimmer. What's happened? Well, basically, you've turned yourself around into a massively fat burning machine. And when you're burning fat day in and day out, you've got your lots of visceral fat in your belly fat, and your body says, hey man, it does usually take it off your arms and legs first, but then when you're burning it consistently, it takes it everywhere. And then you start taking it and massively taking down the energy from your belly fat, which is a lot of its visceral fat. So massively helping your health. Okay guys, number 4. So number 4, you can see here, you've got blood sugar becomes more stable. So fewer spikes and crashes, less roller coaster, more balance. Again, you can see here the wavy function of your normal diet. Then you've got a more consistent energy, no more energy crashes during the day. So after 30 days of keto, you can see it's lovely and stable, up and down, very like calm waves. So improved insulin sensitivity. Your body uses insulin more effectively. So when it comes to insulin sensitivity, you understand that this is just the amount that your body reacts. You get a little bit of insulin, you quickly take in your glucose. Sometimes that builds up and becomes less effective. So insulin sensitivity isn't great, and you don't want to go to insulin resistance. So here we go. Stable blood sugar, stronger you. Stable blood sugar, better health, better you. Before keto, high and lows, energy crashes, more cravings, more fat storage. After 30 days of keto, stable all day, steady energy, fewer cravings, body burns fat. And you can see that roller coaster might be fun to go on. It certainly isn't fun for your health. So you want that little boring roller coaster for your body. Okay guys, number 5. Mental clarity may improve. After 30 days of keto, before keto, here we go. Glucose-dependent sugar ups and downs, brain fog, poor concentration, irritability, energy crashes. Yes, it contributes to conditions, mental health. It contributes to panic attacks. You can see here, bad for you. Now, after 30 days on keto, ketone adapted, steady fuel for your brain. Clear thinking, better concentration, more stable mood, consistent energy. So ketones, clean fuel for your brain. So better focus, stay on task and get more done. Stable mood, fewer ups and downs, more balance. All day alertness, no more afternoon slumps. So clearer mind, better you. Now, when you're on a ketogenic diet especially, you understand that when you come, even when you get into past week 1 usually, you will feel, wow, why do I feel so calm? Well, it's because your body's starting to change over. You're not using panicky glucose energy, you're using ketones, an amazing energy molecule. It's clean, it's steady, it's efficient. Your body loves it. Your brain uses it only. It doesn't want fatty acids. It takes in, through the blood-brain barrier, ketones only. So that's why your body makes ketones, and that's why suddenly you get this feeling, wow, why am I so clear? Why am I so focused? Simply because you're burning your fatty acids and you're using ketones. Now, you can see here with ketones, you've got clear thinking, better concentration, more stable mood, consistent energy. So clearer mind, better you. So guys, we've got the whole idea here. I hope you like this. Now you understand what happens in 30 days on a ketogenic diet. Please guys, thumbs up and subscribe. Also, any questions, pop them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.